so many people. We gotta get this mic up in here, man. This thing always comes out. I need a better way of attaching it. Where's my keys? Oh, it's in the bike. Okay, so I guess we're losing all the sport bikes immediately because I don't know if they didn't know that this was a ride to go get tacos and then keep riding, or if they didn't know if it was a slow ride. But either way, it's alright. We didn't know it was going to be this big anyway. Our host today is Steven, Mr. Road to Recovery. Can't wait till he starts posting videos, man. Dude's got to actually learn how to edit though first. Oh! Who's that? Oh, it's Bryson. Alright, car, turn faster, thanks. How long can we hold this wheelie? It's kind of windy today. Dude, this thing is going forever. Oh, getting too tired. Sheesh! Oh, it's slamming though. Yeah, it's kind of windy. I'm kind of scared to scrape on this street. If we go that way, I'll probably be alright. Boy, we scraping on command these days. Or I get some videos of other people though, so I might have to drop out the back a little bit. Damn, that shit's loud. We scraping, boy. I need to learn to drag scrapes eventually. Holy shit! Oh my gosh! Alright, that's my last scrape of the night, probably.
You saved that motherfucker, dude.
Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm done. Yeah, whatever. That was the closest I've been to wrecking without wrecking, for sure. We don't scrape the knee knockers though, so that's alright. The grom is so loud. Bump, dude. My knee actually just bounced off of the bike, but I was prepared for it. Now I'm in second gear. Dude, another one. Oh, so many. My eyes are watering, dude. I should have brought a clear visor. Hey, there's a cop. Ooh, my shin kind of hurts after that bump. Police! Police-o-mobile! Oh. Yeah. said, I don't know if you guys could hear, he said, which one is the fastest? I pointed to the S1K, he said, he just laughed.